Next one up again is Margaret Kerr, and this time, Cuddle Doon, Margaret.
It's getting your bedtime, isn't it? I don't know who wrote this one. If anybody knows the author, let me know. Cuddle Doon. The bairnies cuddle doon at night, wi' muckle fecht and dim. Oh, try and sleep, ye walk-right frogs, your feyther's coming in. They never heed a word I say. I tried to gie a froon, but I hap them up and cry, "Noo bairnies, cuddle doon." Wee Jimmy with the curly head, he aye sleeps next the wall, bangs up and cries, "I want a piece." The rascal starts them all. I rin and gie them pieces, drinks, to stop away the sun, but I hap them up again. Oh, noo bairnies, cuddle doon. But ere 5 minutes gang, wee Rab cries out neath the clays, "Mither, mak Tam gie out at yance, he's kittling with his taes." The mischief's in that Tam for tricks, he'd bother half the toon. But I hap them up again and cry, "Noo bairnies, cuddle doon." At length they hear their feyther's fit, and as he steeks the door, they turn their faces to the wall, and Tam pretends to snore. "Hey, all they winds been good?" he asks as he takes off his shoes. "The bairnies, John, are in their beds, and long since cuddle doon."
I can see a lot of empathy with that one there.